So we can see some of the questions based on Cartesian product or cross product. Here we are using this college database. Find the location of the room in which CS206 is conducting. Location of the room in which CS206 is conducting. CS206, it is course ID. Course ID. Course ID is present in course room, but we need to extract the room location. Room location is in room relation. So the attributes, input attribute is in one relation, and the attribute which we need to extract is present in another relation. So we need to combine these two relations. We cannot use union because these two relations are not type compatible. Why? Course room contains CID and room contains the first attribute room number. Their domains are not same. So these two, course room and room, these two relations are not type compatible. So the only way we have to combine these two relations, course room and room, is to use Cartesian product. So only way, not only way, it's one way. So room with attributes room number and room location, course room with the CID and room number. These two relations we can join because the room number is common in both the relations. So first we took the Cartesian product of room cross course room. Then we apply the selection as in the previous case. Room dot room number is equal to course room dot room number. Then we apply our selection condition, that is CS206. Course ID is CS206. Then we apply the projection phi room location. That attribute we need to retrieve, room location. Next question, retrieve the platform name of a course, discrete computational structures. Platform name, we need to answer platform name of a course. Platform, in platform, in which relation? Platform relation. Platform name is there. Platform name, link and CID. Course ID is present but not course name. So for retrieving the course name, the only way we can use course name, course ID, offer department. So we can combine platform and course. Platform and course. By how to combine? Using the course ID. So platform cross course, platform cross course. Then apply the sigma operation, that is sigma platform dot course ID is equal to course dot course ID. Then apply our condition, that is course name is equal to sigma course name is equal to discrete computational structures. Then pi platform name, pi platform name. Then retrieve the HOD name of electrical department. Retrieve the HOD name of electrical department. How to find it? HOD name of electrical department. Retrieving the HOD name of electric. To find the faculty, retrieve the faculty and HOD name of electrical department. We need two tables, department table and faculty table, because HOD ID will be, we will get HOD ID from department table. That means faculty ID, faculty dot faculty ID is equal to department dot HOD. And department name we will get from department table. So we can combine these two relations, faculty and department. After combining these two relations, we will get the name of the HOD name of electrical department. So these two exercises are left to you. Thank you.